Hey, it's Abhi here, and I'm going to share you my results with Bing Ads and Clickbank and other networks as well in this video, right? I'm going to show you what the exact strategies. I'm going to show you my exact campaign as well. All right, so make sure you watch this video till the end. All right, so first up, let me just minimize that one. So first up, I have actually followed. If you have been following my videos, you know that I have been following a strategy inside a course called Super Affiliate Sniper. So this is the quick dashboard inside that, right? So this is the Super Affiliate Sniper. This is where you go and watch all the videos and implement whatever that they teach you. Okay, so this is first my Clickbank screenshot. It's not a screenshot, it's my screencast. And if you can see, I have made about $7,000, but I want to be transparent, right? So you can see I have actually got refunds in here, about 8 refunds. So the actual amount I made with Clickbank is about $6,400. Okay. And then if I go into this network, I have made about $980 here. So I have received about 625 already payments, couple of refunds, not a problem, but it is monthly, if you can see. And that's great because it is recurring. Once I make a sale, I keep getting paid over and over as long as that customer is using that product, right? This is another network called Buy Goods, and I made about $1,500 in this, actually $1,800, but there's $300 refund. Part and parcel of the game, $1,500 here. And with MaxWeb, about $1,260 here. With Pay Kickstart, I have made about $980 in commissions with this, right? If you can quickly, if I can just show you my tracking, so it's about $10,695. It's tracking Clickbank, MaxWeb, and Buy Goods. It's not tracking this one and the Pay Kickstart one. Okay, so let's. So what's the strategy? What am I doing? So first of all, it's very simple. You're going to use a brand building strategy. So 3 steps. Okay, first you're going to find a product that has good amount of searches. People are searching for it already on Google and Bing Ads, right? I've been using Bing Ads, so I'm just going to talk about Bing here. Okay, Microsoft Ads. Both one and the same. All right, so you find a product using Bing Keyword Research Planner, right? Bing Keyword Search Planner, and you see which product has good amount of searches. Okay, you shortlist all those products. Let's just say you chose one. I'm going to show you a quick example here, right? My real campaign, by the way. So you chose that product. You find a good amount of searches on that product. Number 2. You're going to create a campaign on Bing Ads bidding on that brand term. All right. And number 3, you send them to a review page. You're going to create a review page and send them there. All right. So people going to type product review and then they come into your review page and then go into your affiliate link and make a purchase. You make a commission. So this is a product called Red Boost that is in Clickbank, that is available in Clickbank and even in MaxWeb. Right. So I ran ads on this particular landing page, right? There is it's a complete blog style review page. Okay, and so people come in here, they know about Red Boost already, so they're just looking for a second opinion to make that final sale, right? Final call. So they go ahead and click here and they want the official site. So click here, they see all the discounts they are offering. So I'm simply just reiterating what is in the sales page into my landing page, and I'm giving them a review of that product, right? They click on here, they go to the sales page and they buy it and make a commission, right? So real quick, let me just show you the campaign. So you can see I have spent a lot of money in here. I have about 132 conversions. I started this on November, like 21st November. So you can see all the data right in here. So let me just go ahead and find the Red Boost campaign, right? By the way, I am not running Red Boost campaign right now because they are not allowing brand bidding anymore. Right? So I have paused that campaign, and that's why I'm actually kind of revealing it. So it kind of helps you, what am I doing? And it kind of helps me because I'm not showing you other campaigns so that others can just copy paste, because it's pretty easy to do. All right. So if I go and click on the campaign Red Boost, all right, just let it load. It's currently paused. Okay. So if I go to keyword section here, all right, you will see I have targeted keywords like Red Boost reviews, Red Boost scam. So these are exact, and then this phrase Red Boost, hardwood tonic. So it's also known as hardwood tonic. So hardwood tonic review, Red Boost buy, official Red Boost. So these are the terms. These are very brand related terms or brand bidding. This is what brand bidding is. You are bidding on brand terms. Okay, so for example, I have Cosmos headphones here. All right, so when people search on Google Cosmos headphones, they find my ad because I targeted the term Cosmos headphones on my ad, right? So people click on it, they buy it, I make a commission. Basically, that's that. Not actually, most of the advertisers, most of the product owners don't allow brand bidding because you're kind of stealing their brand traffic that they're getting already, and you're kind of making money with it. But there are still a lot of products that allow brand bidding, and we as a marketer are taking advantage of it and actually making money, and we are not really breaking any rules here as well. So this is really an old strategy, but it works really, really well. Okay, so you can see that, and I have implemented tracking. Because I have implemented tracking, I can track every single thing, right? Every keyword that got me conversions. If you see here, this particular campaign have got me 52 conversions overall. Pretty amazing. All right, and you will see this keyword red boost, and that is an exact keyword, just got me 15 conversions. Then there is 12 conversions, 9 conversions, right? You go deep, you see the search terms that's getting you sales. You see the devices. If I click on devices, you will see what devices has been getting me most sales, right? You see this here. Okay, so tablet wasn't converting for me, so I have simply decreased the bid to 90%. All right, computer smartphone has been doing pretty well for me, and you can see computer has got me 48 conversions and smartphone got me 5 conversions. So if I just show you the results of that campaign, if you look at the top, HW Tonic, right, it has actually made me $3,318 right in Clickbank. And if you see MaxWeb on the top, boom, Red Boost Advanced, right, actually made me $1,080 commission. So about $4,000 plus, right, with just one campaign. That's pretty amazing. Okay, the downside of brand bidding is that if they don't allow brand bidding, right, you cannot do that. And let's say they prohibited brand bidding and you are still doing it, then they are not going to pay you out, right? They are not going to give you your commission that's showing the dashboard. Okay, so I'm yet to get paid by this, but I will actually get paid because they told me not to brand bid and I just turned it off. Okay, and I'm able to show this to you right here. So let me just rewind a little bit. So the first step was find a product. So for example, this is a product that I'm choosing. Okay, so if I go to keyword planner and if I go for search for keywords, and I'm going to select these 4 countries right in here, and I'm going to enter this keyword red boost right here. Okay, and then I click get suggestions. All right, and you will see, if you will see there's a lot of searches, but there's just 10 searches. So what you have to do is you have to click on this keyword per relevance and search term, the exact search term that you have typed in here. Now you will see the average monthly searches right here. That is 4,660 searches. All right, and if you see the graph, it's pretty good. 20,000, 33,000, 10,000 searches on February. Right, it's March right now. So if you see here, the suggested bid is 402 rupees. That is INR, not dollars, by the way, right? $1 is like 84 INR, Indian rupee. All right, so that's 400 INR. But if you see on my campaigns of Red Boost, let me just go back. So if you see the screen, right, the total CPC, average CPC is just 78 INR, whereas in the keyword planner, it has been showing, it was shown like 400 INR and more, I think, right? And here is just 78 CPC on average on all these keywords, right? So there is a certain way to do it, certain way to build landing pages, right? You can just go now and start a brand bid campaign. So there's a lot of products that allow it, right? There is Claritox Pro, for example, in Clickbank allowing it, but a lot of people are running it. So you have to do it in a certain way to actually be profitable and, spend a very less amount of money. Okay. If I go to all campaigns, right, you will see my other campaigns that's giving results. I'm not actually going to show them, but you can see the conversions and stuff, right? So if I click on conversions here, you will see the first one is Red Boost, was Red Boost, by the way. then you will see 14 conversions, 13 conversions, 13 conversions. A lot of them hasn't been tracked by Weekend Track because I added that in later. All right, and they are not even tracking these commissions, this $900 and this $900 in here, so they're not really tracking that. So yeah, I actually created a Google Doc. So if I click on here, you will see, right, I have created a Google Doc. So if I'm not saying you are going to do this and you're going to make a lot of sales tomorrow, you're going to make a ton of money in a week, right? I'm not saying that, right? So for example, you have purchased Super Affiliate Sniper, you are doing it step by step, like it is shown in the dashboard here, module 1, module 2, installing plugin pages, legal pages. It's very easy, like 50-60-year-olds are just following this click by click and are making money with it. So that's pretty good. The support is amazing. But anyway, let me just show you my Google Doc real quick. So if you see here, I started this on 21st November, and you see here, right, when I started, I actually made a couple of sales in 3 days. Then, then if you see, there's been some gap, actually 3 sales here. Then there should be some gap in Clickbank particular. You can see this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days gap, and then I make $100 next. Right? So there is a little patience required. You need to continuously optimize. You need to see where your traffic is coming from. You need to track. It's hard in here. Okay. So if you go below, you can see I'm doing. I have started the buy goods right here. About not sure what the date was. So you can see there's still several days later, I made another $122, and still my ad spend and my returns have a huge ROI, right? You can see I made my $403, and then there's still a lot of gap. So $403 right here, December 9th, and you go ahead, there's $197, $100 here, $40, and then it actually, once I optimize stuff, once I knew where I was getting traffic from, where I was getting my sales from, exact keywords, right, and exact search terms, you can see I have started, getting consistent results right here. So if I go, as you can see, okay, 223, 261, 198, 423, $204 days. So it's pretty amazing. And if you just go here, you can actually read all my updates, pretty detailed update with all my ad screenshot. I have converted the INR into dollars. So if you want, you can go ahead and check that out. Right? It's been like a few days since I haven't updated this, but I might soon. So if you want to do this properly under proper guidance, sure, you can go ahead and create ads yourself, make a couple of sales. But you saw the competition in Bing Ads itself, right? If you go Google Ads, there's a ton of money that you're going to lose if you don't know exactly what you're doing, right? If you don't know what products that you can promote for brand bait, right? If you don't know how to research products, how to make a list of products that you need to, you can create campaigns on and make money for a long time coming. So for example, let's just go and take a look at the Facebook group of Super Affiliate Sniper. So there's been a lot of engagement. The support is amazing. So if you go here, you can see the Mark is replying to everyone. George Lanson here. So Moinul Amin has made a lot of payments, like $1,300 here, $1,000 commissions here. They got paid, right? This strategy works. If you go below, you can see that's Anthony's post. Congrats to Asha Blackwell for getting her first sale without done for you service. So they do have a done for you service as well. So if I show you real quick, so they have done for you service. So if you don't want to run ads, if you just want to spend money, they will run ads for you, right? Pretty cool. They will build landing pages for you. So that's pretty cool. So where was I? On the Facebook group. Okay. So if you go down, if you browse below, people are making money right here. Hey everyone, follow the course of the campaign running since step 1 and thought I would share the results. So he spent about $165, got 4 conversions and made $492. That's a pretty good ROI, right? If you go down, you will see more screenshots, right? That's the same guy, I think. So there's Benny Lombo, right? He actually made $300 and he is using done for you service. I'm not using done for you service, by the way. I want to learn it myself, so that's why I'm doing it, right? What you can do is you can actually go ahead and watch the free training in the description below. And if you decide, get Super Affiliate Sniper, right? It's not cheap. It's $500 one time or $197 per month for 3 months. Okay. It's not cheap, but if you're doing paid ads, right? If you are doing paid ads, you should have a budget, right? And with the help of this proper strategy implementing on Bing ads or Google ads, whatever that you want to use, if you have a proper, click by click strategy and know exactly what to do, that $500 is worth spent on this strategy right here, right? And they actually do give you bonuses as calls, right? They give you track sheets, how to track your profit, Excel sheets, all those cool stuff, right? This is Mark, this is Anthony, right? You can get on a call with them. And, if you actually decide to join Super Affiliate Sniper, right, you can actually, get my support, my personal support, right? I will be making custom tutorials for you. I will be answering your questions if you are stuck on anything. And if that doesn't solve your problem, I will even hop on a call with you, when you're setting up a campaign or, or optimizing your campaign, whatever help that you want to get the best results out of it, right? If you want to do it, go ahead and just watch the free training if you want and decide if you want to get it or not. So that's what my personal business is.